Razor blades are small but important everyday items that are used for personal grooming. These small yet sharp blades are usually made from stainless steel and are available in various shapes and sizes. In this article, we will explore how razor blades are made. Raw materials. The primary raw material used in the manufacturing of razor blades is stainless steel. Stainless steel is used because it is durable, corrosion resistant, and has the ability to hold a sharp edge. Other materials that are used in the manufacturing process include plastic, lubricants, and packaging materials. Design and development. Before the manufacturing process begins, the razor blade design is created. This is done through the use of computer-aided design, CAD, software. The design is then converted into a 3D model, which is used to create a prototype. Once the prototype has been created, it is tested to ensure that it meets the desired specifications. Stamping and cutting. The first step in the manufacturing process involves stamping and cutting the stainless steel sheets into the desired shape and size of the razor blade. This is done using a stamping press that applies pressure to the steel sheets to cut out the blade shape. The blades are then removed from the steel sheets and sent to the next stage of the manufacturing process. Grinding and honing. After the blades have been stamped and cut, they are ground and honed to create the sharp edge that is needed for a clean shave. The blades are passed through a series of machines that use abrasive belts to grind and hone the blades to the desired sharpness. Coating. Once the blades have been sharpened, they are coated with a layer of lubricating material. This helps to reduce friction and prevent rust. The lubricating material is usually made from a combination of oils and waxes. Packaging. After the blades have been coated, they are ready for packaging. The packaging process involves placing the blades into individual packages and then placing those packages into larger boxes. The boxes are then labeled and sent to distribution centers for shipment to retailers. Quality control. Throughout the manufacturing process, quality control measures are put in place to ensure that the razor blades meet the desired specifications. This includes testing the blades for sharpness, durability, and corrosion resistance. Any blades that do not meet the desired standards are discarded. Safety precautions. During the manufacturing process, safety precautions are taken to ensure the safety of the workers. This includes providing personal protective equipment, such as gloves and goggles, and ensuring that all machines are properly maintained and operated. Environmental impact. The manufacturing process for razor blades can have an environmental impact. To reduce this impact, many razor blade manufacturers are implementing sustainable practices. This includes using renewable energy sources, reducing waste, and recycling materials. Different types of razor blades. There are many different types of razor blades available on the market. Some of the most common types include disposable razors, safety razors, and straight razors. Each type of razor blade has its own unique manufacturing process. Disposable razors. Disposable razors are the most commonly used type of razor blade. These razors are made from plastic and are designed to be used for a short period of time before being thrown away. The manufacturing process for disposable razors is relatively simple and involves molding plastic parts and attaching the blades. Safety razors. Safety razors are designed to be used multiple times and are made from a combination of stainless steel and plastic. The manufacturing process for safety razors involves stamping and cutting the stainless steel blades, molding the plastic parts, and assembling the parts together. Straight razors. Straight razors are the oldest type of razor blade and are also known as cut-throat razors. These razors are made entirely from stainless steel and are designed to be used for a long period of time. Manufacturing straight razors. The manufacturing process for straight razors is different from other types of razor blades. It involves cutting a long, thin strip of stainless steel and shaping it into a blade. The blade is then honed to create a sharp edge. The handle of the straight razor can be made from various materials, including wood, plastic, or bone. The handle is attached to the blade using a pivot pin. Sharpening. Straight razors. Unlike other types of razor blades, straight razors require regular maintenance and sharpening to maintain their sharpness. This is usually done using a sharpening stone. The blade is held at a specific angle and moved across the sharpening stone to create a sharp edge. This process requires skill and practice. Razor blades are an essential personal grooming item that is used by millions of people worldwide. The manufacturing process for razor blades involves several stages, including stamping, cutting, grinding, honing, coating, and packaging. Quality control measures are put in place to ensure that the blades meet the desired specifications, and safety precautions are taken to ensure the safety of workers. Sustainable practices are also being implemented to reduce the environmental impact of the manufacturing process. There are many different types of razor blades available, including disposable razors, safety razors, and straight razors, each with their own unique manufacturing process. The manufacturing process for straight razors is different from other types of razor blades, and they require regular maintenance and sharpening to maintain their sharpness.